To create a Samsung Smart TV account, start by ensuring your TV is turned on and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Access the home screen by pressing the home button on your remote control. Then navigate to the menu option. From there, select Settings and choose the All Settings option. Scroll down to the General and Policy option, and then select System Manager from the list. Next, choose the Samsung Account option and click on Create Account. You will be given two options. Scan a QR code with your smartphone or follow a URL link. Select one of these options and follow the instructions to create your account, agreeing to the terms and conditions as you go. If you create your account using your smartphone, you will need to sign in to your account on your TV by clicking the Sign In button. Once logged in, choose your profile picture and click Done. The process is straightforward, and creating a Samsung Smart TV account is relatively easy.